NCERT.com Science 7. Chapter 4. The World of Metals and Non-Metals.
Look around your room or kitchen and spot items like the refrigerator, microwave and various utensils. Can you tell which materials they are made from and why those materials were chosen? What makes some items require hard, durable metals while others use lighter plastics or glass? How do properties like strength, conductivity and resistance to heat influence these choices? In this chapter, we will learn what metals and non-metals are and explore their key properties. Metals, non-metals and metalloids. Elements are categorized into three groups based on physical and chemical properties. Metals, characterized by their luster, high density, and excellent ability to conduct heat and electricity. Example, iron. Non-metals, typically dull and lightweight, these act as insulators because they do not conduct heat or electricity well. Example, oxygen. Metalloids, these elements, such as silicon, serve as a middle ground. They possess mixed traits, appearing either shiny or dull, and function as moderate electrical conductors. Properties of metals. Metals are defined by a unique set of physical properties that make them indispensable in construction, electronics, and daily life. While most are solid at room temperature, exceptions like mercury and gallium are liquids. Key characteristics include luster and sonority. Metals possess a natural shine, luster, and produce a ringing sound when struck, sonority, making them ideal for jewelry and musical instruments. Mechanical strength. Most metals are strong and hard, though soft. Metals like sodium can be cut with a knife. Workability. They are malleable, can be hammered into sheets, and ductile, can be drawn into wires. Conductivity. Metals are superior conductors of both heat and electricity, which is why copper and aluminum are standard in cookware and wiring. Thermal resilience. Most exhibit high melting and boiling points, though alkali metals like sodium melt at temperatures below 100 degrees C. Uses of metals. Construction or infrastructure. Iron is used for pipes and railings, while zinc prevents corrosion through galvanization. Electronics or utilities. Copper is standard for wiring, and gold, silver, and platinum are used for high-end electronic contacts and jewelry. Household or packaging. Aluminium and tin are vital for foil, cans, and food storage. Specialized tools. Mercury is used in thermometers, and calcium compounds are key in cement and glass manufacturing. Effect of air and water on meals. Metals react with environmental elements like oxygen and moisture, leading to surface degradation. Iron, rusting. Iron reacts with oxygen and water to form reddish, flaky iron oxide, 2Fe2O3 yield XH2O. This layer peels off, exposing more metal to damage. Copper, patina. Copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide to form a green layer of basic copper carbonate. Silver, tarnishing. Silver reacts with hydrogen sulfide in the air, creating a black coating of silver sulfide. Unlike iron's destructive rust, the layers on copper and silver often act as protective barriers. Effect of air and water on other metals. Highly reactive metals like magnesium and sodium show dramatic changes when exposed to air or water. Magnesium, when heated, it burns with a brilliant white light, reacting with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, 2MgO, a white powdery ash. Sodium reacts explosively with water, producing intense heat and flames. Due to this extreme reactivity with moisture and air, sodium must be stored under kerosene oil to remain stable and safe. Properties of non-metals. Non-metals include abundant elements like hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. Unlike metals, they possess distinct physical characteristics. physical state, they exist as solids, sulfur, or gases, oxygen, at room temperature, with bromine being the only liquid exception. Luster, most are dull and matte, though graphite and diamond are shiny exceptions. Strength, generally soft and brittle, they crumble under pressure. Notably, diamond is the exception as the hardest known natural substance. Non-metals lack the flexibility and conductivity of metals, characterized by several key physical limitations. Brittleness, they are non-malleable and non-ductile, meaning they shatter or crack when struck and cannot be made into sheets or wires. Insulation, they are excellent insulators, as they do not conduct heat or electricity. Low resonance, they are non-sonorous, failing to produce a ringing sound. Thermal properties. Non-metals typically have much lower melting and boiling points compared to metals. Uses of some non-metals. Non-metals are essential for technology, health, and industry. Carbon forms, graphite is used for pencil leads and electrodes, while diamond is used in jewelry and heavy-duty cutting tools. Electronics or chemistry, silicon is the foundation of computer microchips. Sulfur and nitrogen are vital for manufacturing fertilizer, gunpowder, and acids. Life support or safety, oxygen is critical for breathing and combustion. Chlorine disinfects water, and iodine serves as an antiseptic. Daily essentials, phosphorus is used in matches and detergents, while nitrogen helps preserve food and produce proteins.